Storage is an important marketing function which involves holding and preserving goods from the time they are produced until they are needed for consumption. GSI is the world's largest manufacturer of grain bins, providing quality equipment and services to over 70 countries worldwide. We provided the full set of services in the area of electrical installation, and we supplied safe and cost-effective control solution for this new grain handling system. The system is controlled through an Allen Bradley PLC-based control panel with touchscreen, which gives detailed overview of the grain handling process and logging of main control parameters. We designed and assembled complete control system and coordinated with GSI engineers to determine the precise technological approach for customer needs.
Yes, this
Must be closed.
Yes. And when circle complete, we will continue. That time it will close and this close, only this open. Going to elevator 4, leading to silo.
This system brings a range of solutions including storage, handling, drying and conditioning. This motor control center is an assembly to control all electric motors in a central location, and it consists of 4 vertical metal cabinet sections, MCC 1, 2, 3 and 4. The fully modulating gas burner of the grain dryer, equipped with integrated blower heating fan motor, cooling fan motor, feed roller motor, discharge screw motor, burner control panel and dryer grain high and low level switches. MCC 2 cabinet contains the bucket elevator and chain conveyor control devices. MCC 3 cabinet contains the aeration fans and bin sweep auger control devices. MCC 4 cabinet contains the PLC system devices. Automatic running is only allowed if the selected routes bin slides, flap switches and the bin level probes are in the correct state. If the dryer grain level is positioned correctly, then the dryer circulation will start automatically after a time delay in the correct sequence. If the current load is different type of grain than the previous load, a time delay allows the conveyors to clear out before the grain change is made. By touching the appropriate buttons, the operator selects the grain source and the destination. The information about grain level and accessibility of the target bin is displayed, and mistakes in bin selection are alerted and blocked by the software. If the bin grain level reaches to its maximum, the selected grain flow path will stop all drives in time delay sequence. If a chain conveyor flap switches or any fault occurs, the selected path will shut down all drives immediately. The drying gas burner process is controlled through GSI control panel using touchscreen, which gives detailed overview of the drying process and logging of drying parameters, and it is supplied with all necessary interlocking with motor control center. This micro FTTPLC based automated system controls the dryer control devices by interconnecting with GSI Micrologic's 1400 PLC system. The project also involved the commissioning the GSI dryer control panel, included a soft starter for 110 kW heating fan, 2 direct online starters for cooling fan, feed roller and an inverter drive for the discharge screw conveyor. Manual running of individual drives of the plant is designed for maintenance purposes. The overall system is covered by an emergency stop arrangement, complete with a fail-safe, safe relay and system stop. An integral part of our services in this project is a service and technical care for the implemented equipment, not only for the warranty period, but for the entire period of the Allen Bradley equipment's service life. We carried out all the tasks coordinated with GSI engineering team to successfully complete the installation and commission the grain storage system.